Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove 2FA, that is two-factor authentication, from Discord. Now, here's how to remove two-factor authentication from your Discord account. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to Discord web app. Then, once you're there, log in with your account credentials. Of course, once you're logged in the bottom left corner of the home page, which is here, click on the gear icon next to the profile name. And it's going to take you to your settings window. So in the settings menu on the left, click on My Accounts, which is the first option and literally the default option. And you'll be taken to your account settings. So your account settings, scroll down to where you have Enable Authenticator app, which would now, so if you have enabled this, you're going to find the option as two-factor authentication, or you're going to find it as two-factor authentication here. This has not been enabled. If it has been enabled, you're going to see the two-factor authentication section. So you'll see now, once you're here, instead of Enable Authenticator app, you're going to find Disable Authenticator app. So instead of Enable, you see Disable Authenticator app. Now click on Disable Authenticator app, or maybe Disable two-factor authentication, however it is depending on your user interface. Now, once you click on Disable Authenticator app, a pop-up will appear asking you to enter your current 2FA code. That's the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app. Open your Authenticator app, either Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator, and retrieve the current 6-digit code. Enter the 6-digit code into the prompt on Discord. After entering the correct 2FA code, click Disable to remove 2FA from your account. Then your Discord account will no longer have two-factor authentication enabled. Removing 2FA makes your account more vulnerable, as you will no longer need to provide a second form of authentication when logging in. Consider leaving 2FA enabled for increased account security. Once you disable 2FA, you will no longer be able to use any backup codes that were generated during the setup process. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.